In this tutorial, we will be causing an external LED to blink using a Raspberry Pi Pico. You will need a resistor, an LED, a Pico on a breadboard, and some hookup wire. This is our target breadboard layout. We will use row 3 on the breadboard for ground, row 12 on the breadboard will provide on-off power, a resistor lowers the power sent to the LED, the resistor should lead to the LED's positive post in row 25, connect the LED's negative post in row 26 to the ground bar. Connect position J3 to the negative bar. The positive LED post, the longer one, goes in position A25. The other negative post goes in position A26. Use a resistor to connect E26 to F26. Connect J12 to J25. Connect negative bar to E26. Our board should now look like the diagram. Open Visual Studio Code. Under the Pico tab, click New Project from Example. For board type, select Pico. For name, select Blink. Create and select a folder to store the project. Click Create. Select Yes, I trust the authors and close remaining pop-ups. Physical pin number 29 on the Pico, J12 on the breadboard, is referred to as General Purpose Pin 22, GP22, in the Pico SDK and code. Select Blank C in the left-hand panel. Define constant for Pico General Purpose 22 pin value. Change to use our GP22 pin variable. While pressing the boot cell button, connect the Pico to your computer. Under the Pico tab, click Run Project. Once the program is flashed to the Pico, the LED will blink. Now change the delay to 50. Disconnect and reconnect the Pico while holding the boot cell button. Again, select Run Project from the Pico tab. Now you have initiated Super Blink mode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Visit our website for more content and information.